Welcome, wanderers of the world, to another journey through time and space. Today, we travel not by foot, nor by plane, nor by automobile, but by one of the most magnificent railway services on Earth. Welcome to the Glacier Express. Are you ready to go? From Zermatt to St. Moritz, across 291 bridges and through 91 tunnels, the Glacier Express promises an 8-hour journey of unmatched Swiss grandeur. Just believe in your ice. As you step into the train, you are greeted by an atmosphere of warmth and elegance. The spacious, cozy seats, the panoramic windows inviting the Swiss landscapes in, every detail is designed for your comfort and enjoyment. Just look at the view. From Zermatt, the journey begins. As the train leaves the station, you'll be greeted by the towering majesty of the Matterhorn. It comes with elegant look. This iconic peak, standing at an elevation of 4,478 meters, is known as the Mountain of Mountains. Its sharp, triangular form dominates the skyline, its majestic presence a constant companion during the first part of our journey. As the Glacier Express snakes its way through the valleys, crossing iron-cast bridges, the landscape unfolds like a storybook. Nature loves your smile. Past verdant valleys, meadows sprinkled with wildflowers, rivers gushing down the mountain slopes, the journey itself becomes a dance between Mother Nature and Swiss engineering marvel. Halfway, the train pulls into Andermatt, a traditional Swiss village nestled between the mountains. It's complete the journey. But, the pièce de résistance of the journey is the Landwasser Viaduct. An architectural masterpiece, the train seems to leap across the 65 meters high arches, giving passengers an adrenaline rush. Don't you think you are living your best moment in this situation? And what journey would be complete without a culinary experience? The Glacier Express's dining car presents a range of delicacies, from traditional Swiss fare to international cuisine. Are you enjoying the journey? As your journey nears its end, the panoramic windows offer you one last spectacle. The sun setting over the Swiss Alps, the sky painted with strokes of oranges and pinks. As you pull into St. Moritz, you're left with not just a journey, but an experience. An intimate dance with nature, a narrative of Swiss hospitality, the magic of moving through the heart of the Swiss Alps. And thus, we come to the end of this spectacular journey on the Glacier Express. As the saying goes, it's not about the destination, but the journey. And this journey, through the heart of the Swiss Alps, will stay with you long after you've disembarked. Until our next journey, stay curious, stay adventurous. And remember, every journey is a story, and every story is a journey. If you enjoyed this journey with us, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, safe travels.